guys, welcome to Be Creative. Today I'm going to be solving Rubik's Cube. I'm going to attempt to solve a Rubik's Cube like really fast, super fast, like in a matter of a second. Okay, just let's watch, okay? Yeah. Okay, let's get, oh, first let me get my Rubik's Cube and, okay, there we go. Let's go solve it. Okay, that was that. And if you want to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube that fast for yourself, click on the video card up. Yeah, just it should be somewhere around there, here or there, I don't know, somewhere, yeah. Or click on the end screen video. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.